Okay, so this is the first assignment question. You are asked to solve 2, 4. So here instead of 17, I had given capital R, then 385 minus 112, x is equal to 22, 27, 2 using Gaussian elimination method. Please solve. Instead of 17, you have capital R and you are asked to substitute your roll number here. Okay. So I think register number. So here I substituted 17. Okay, so you are asked to solve this system using Gaussian elimination method. Okay, so first what we have to do, we have to form the augmented matrix. So we have to club these two, this matrix and this vector. This one is the system matrix and this one is the output vector. So we have to club these two. So this one is the augmented matrix. So 2, 4, 17, 22, 3, 8, 5, 27, minus 1, 1, 2, 2. So this one is augmented matrix. So now what we have to do, we are going to start the first elimination, where we want to eliminate these two components by using the pivot, this one. So this one is a pivot of first elimination, first diagonal element. So how to remove this one? This one is in second row. So R2 is equal to R2 minus the element that we want to remove, that is 3 divided by 2 into R1. So R2 equal to R2 minus the element that we want to remove divided by the pivot into R1. Similarly, we want to remove minus 1 from third row. So third row is equal to R3 minus then element that we want to remove. So minus divided by 2 into R1. So minus minus it will become plus R1. So what is the modified augmented matrix? So this one is a modified augmented matrix. First row is not changed, 2, 4, 17, 22. Second row is the first element become 3 minus 3 by 2 into 2, so that is 0. This element will become 8 minus 3 by 2 into 4, so that is 8 minus 3 into 2, so 8 minus 6, 2. Here we have 2. This element will become 5 minus 3 by 2 into 70, that is minus 20.5. Then this element will become 27 minus 3 by 2 into 22, so 27 minus so this is 27 minus 33, so we have minus 6. Now from third row we have R3 plus 1 by R2 R1, so minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into 3, so that is 0. Similarly 1 plus 1 by 2 into 8, so that is 3, right? 1 plus 1 by 2 into, so this is 5, right? 1 plus 1 by 2 into 4. Okay, I'm very sorry, small mistake. So first one, we want to remove minus 1 by using these 2. So we have minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into 2, so that is 0. Then second one is 1 plus 1 by 2 into 4, so that is 3. Then next one is 2 plus 1 by 2 into 17, that is 10.5. Next one is 2 plus 1 by 2 into 22, that is 13. Okay. Now first elimination is over. So we are going to start the second elimination. So what is second elimination? We want to remove x2 coefficient from third row onwards. So we want to remove this element by using this pivot. So the second diagonal element is the pivot. So this is in third row. So R3 is equal to R3 minus element that we want to remove, 3, divided by the pivot 2 into R2. So what we have? The modified, so here the final augmented matrix is, first two rows are not changed. What about the last row? So 0 minus 3 by 2 into 0, so that is 0. 3 minus 3 by 2 into 2, so that is 0. 10.5 minus 3 by 2 into minus 20.5, okay, so it will become plus, so that is 41.25. Now here we have 13 minus 3 by 2 into minus 6, so again it will become plus. So we have 22, 13, so minus minus 13 plus 3 by 26, so 3 into 3, so that is 22. So this one is the final augmented matrix. So the eliminations are over. Now we are going to start the back substitution. Okay, so what we have? We have back substitution. First, what is back substitution? First we are processing this last row, and this is used to find the last variable. So we have 41.25 z, that is equal to 22, where the vector x is equal to x, y, z. So the last one is z, 41.25 into z is equal to 22. So z is equal to 0.533. We are using 3 significant digits in assignment, that one is specified. Now by using second row, we are going to find y. So 2y, this is 0, 0x plus 2y minus 20.5 z equal to minus 6. So what is 2? Already z is not. So 2y is equal to minus 6 plus 20.5 into z. Z is 0.533, that is equal to minus 6 plus 10.927, that is equal to 4.927. So 2y is equal to, this 2y is equal to 4.927. So y is equal to 2.464. So this is y. Now by processing this first row, we are going to find x. So what is this first row? 2x plus 4y plus 17z equal to 22. 2x plus 4y plus 17z is equal to 22. So from this, 2x is equal to 22 minus 4 into what is y? Y is 2.464 minus 17 into this 17 into what is z? 0.533. So that is equal to 3.083. So please note 2x is equal to 3.083. So x is equal to 1.54 after rounding, because we are using 3 significant digits. So x is equal to 1.542. So the answer is x, y, z. So this is vector x. This is vector x. So that is equal to 1.542, comma 2.464, comma 0.533. Last one is 0.533. Okay. Okay, so this one is the algorithm that I had written to solve the problem, to find the solution of the linear system using Gaussian elimination. So here I assumed that the given system is a third order system. This algorithm can be used to solve the third order system only. Okay. So here I am going to solve the same system that we discussed using slides. Okay, so run the program. So A is 2, 4, then capital R. So I told you R is the register number. So here I am using 17, then 3, 8, 5, then minus 1, 1, 2. So this is A. Now B is 22, 27, 2. This one is a row vector, but the given one is the column vector, so we need a transpose also. So this one is our augmented matrix. Okay. So now after first elimination. So this one is after first elimination. Okay. 2, 4, 17, 22. First row is not changed. Second row is 0, 2, minus 20.5, minus 6. Third row is 0, 3, 10.5, 13. So this is after first elimination. This is augmented matrix after first elimination. Now after second elimination, the augmented matrix is 2, 4, 17, 22, 0, 2, minus 20.5, minus 6, 0, 0, 41.25, 22. So this one is the third order system. So 2 eliminations are sufficient. So now we are going to start the back substitution. So after back substitution, the values of x, y, z are x is equal to 1.5430, 2.4630, 0.5330. Okay. So this one is we discussed using slides. If you are selecting different R, I am going to run or I am going to solve the first problem, first assignment question with the two different capital R values. Okay, so say instead of 17, if I am selecting 2, same B. So this is AB augmented matrix. Now this is augmented matrix after first elimination. This is augmented matrix after second elimination. So you can see that this matrix is not invertible, means we can't find the solution. Okay, so we can't find the solution because the first row is 2 4 2. Okay, 2 4 2. Second row is 3 8 5. The last one is minus 1 1 2. So we can find the inverse of or determinant of A. What is happening, that we have to know. You can see that this small value means MATLAB is giving this small value means actually it is determinant is 0, means this one is singular, the given matrix is singular. That is a problem. Okay, the given system is singular. So rank of A, so here you can see the rank of A is 2. The order of the system is 3 and rank of A is 2. So if capital R is equal to 2, then this is not invertible. Now one more R we can select. Okay, very large value we can select. So instead of this we can select something around 54, same B. So this one is augmented matrix. Now after first elimination, 2 4 54 22, 0 2 minus 76 minus 6, 0 3 29 30. This is after second elimination. So 2 4 54 22, 0 2 minus 76 minus 6, 0 0 143 22. So now back substitution, we have XYZ is equal to 1.1380, 2.8520, 0.1540.